Linking English and cybersecurity. Innovative methods to enhance comprehension and implementation of security measures. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Language proficiency and cybersecurity are intimately related in today's digital world. Effective communication becomes crucial for comprehending, putting into practice, and upholding security protocols as cyber threats change. This chapter examines how cybersecurity awareness, training, and the actual implementation of security measures are improved by fluency in the English language. People are better able to comprehend security requirements, evaluate cyber dangers, and communicate more effectively in defense plans when English language teaching is combined with cybersecurity expertise. In order to promote a more secure digital environment, the chapter highlights the value of language competency as a tool for enhancing cybersecurity procedures and offers a framework for integrating language instruction with security education.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.